how to add business on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add a business on Yelp, and here is how to go about it. So the first step is to ensure that you have the Yelp app installed on your device. Now, after having it installed, the next step is to open it up. Once you've opened it up, ensure you create an account. If you haven't, then after creating an account, you'll be brought to this page where you can see some icons at the lower part of the screen, which include search, project, me, collections, and then more. So the more option is what you'd click on. Just go ahead and click on it. Then after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the page. You'll be taken to the more options page. So on this page, the next step or the next thing to do is to scroll down to the lower part of the screen, just like I'm doing. And then you see Yelp for Business. So under the Yelp for Business option, ensure you select add a business. So after selecting add a business, you will now be asked to select if you're a customer or you work at the business. So for me, I'll be clicking I work at the business, and the next thing to do is to type out the business name. All right, then click on add for free. Then the next thing to do is type out your business number that will allow customers to connect with you, and then just enter in your phone number. Now, currently, in my location, the phone number I'm typing in is not supported, so it cannot be used. But for you, if the phone number is supported, ensure you type it in, the hours of operation, your website. After typing in your phone number, you will be directed on that page where you'll be asked to enter in your hours of operation and then your website if possible. And then once you've submitted all of these details, your submitted details will be verified by Yelp, by the Yelp moderators who check various sources to confirm their accuracy. So the more information you provide, the faster your submission will be approved, usually within 2 business days or less. And then from there, your business will be added to Yelp, just like that. It's very simple because Yelp is a site that allows you add your business. All right. Now, if you're a customer and you're trying to help someone at the business, just click on I am a customer, and they'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to select the country, the business name, address, category, etc. Click on send, and then you wait for it to be approved. So this is how it works, okay? Ensure you add as many businesses as you want to your Yelp account today. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.